Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Xero accounting software is a cloud-based application, meaning there is no traditional desktop software to install on your computer. Instead, the process is focused on setting up your account online and configuring your business's financial data. You access the core software through a web browser. However, Xero also offers companion mobile apps for Apple iOS and Google Android devices that you can just download from their respective app stores, that is either App Store and Google Play Store. So let's get to the step-by-step beginner's guide for setting up your Xero account online. The first step is sign up for a Xero account. Visit the Xero website right in here. Just go to the official Xero website and sign up for a plan right here in your favorite web browser, or start a free trial. Now go ahead and create your login. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. You'll then need to verify your email to activate your account. Now go ahead and also choose a plan. Select the subscription plan that best fits your business needs and budget. Step 2 is to set up your organization's details. After logging in for the first time, you'll begin the setup process. In here, just enter business information, input basic details about your business, such as the organization's legal name, contact information, physical address, and industry. Secondly, configure financial settings. Set up your financial year-end date, GST or tax reporting frequency, and your accounting basis, that is either cash or accrual. Conversion date as well, thirdly, if applicable. If you are moving from another accounting system, you'll set a conversion date, which is the date you start tracking your financials in Xero. Step 3 is to configure your chart of accounts. Review the default chart. Xero provides a standard chart of accounts. Also, customize, which is actually optional. You can just add, edit, or delete accounts to better match the specific needs of your business. This step helps categorize your transactions for easier reporting and tax preparation. Step 4 is to connect your bank accounts. Add a bank account. Navigate to the accounting menu and select bank accounts. Then click to add a new bank account. Also, secondly, set up a bank feed. Xero's primary feature is connecting to your bank for automatic, secure bank feeds. Select your bank and follow the prompts to enter your online banking credentials. This establishes a read-only connection to automatically import your transactions. Also, import opening or conversion balances. If you are migrating from another system, you'll need to enter your account balances as of your conversion date to ensure your new Xero books are accurate from day one. Step 5 is to now set up invoicing and branding. Customize your invoices. Go to settings and then invoice settings to customize your invoices templates. You can add your business logo, adjust the design, and set up your default payment terms. Also set up payment services. Integrate with online payment services like Stripe or Things PayPal to give your customers easy ways to pay your invoices online. Step 6, finally, is to now explore and configure additional features. Once the core setup is complete, you can first add users, where you can invite your accountant, bookkeeper, or employees to collaborate on your books by inviting them as users and assigning specific roles and permissions. Also, you can set up payroll. If your business has employees, you'll need to configure payroll settings, employee details, and pay calendars. We also have integration of apps. Explore the Xero app marketplace to connect other apps for inventory management, time tracking, expense management, and more to enhance Xero's functionalities. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.